Hi there, Nancy here. Listen up as I share my latest tips on bringing in the big fish.
I was doing a board training, and one thing I like to do, I go around the table toward the beginning, and I say, "What made you say yes to serving on this board?" And I go around, and I like it where I have enough time to let every person answer that showed up for that retreat. And I still remember where this gentleman was sitting in this room. It's just frozen in my mind. When I got to him, he said, "Because my corporation wanted me to." He was filling a check off. He checked a box with his corporation, like, we need someone to serve on that nonprofit. Who's going to do that? He had no passion for the mission, the cause, the work they were doing. And the rest of the retreat, he said very little. And I think the rest of the board members knew immediately he's not with us. I mean, he's not one of us. And so it's that same way, whether it's a board member not fully on board, you want your donors on board. You want to enjoy your job, and just think, if you have donors who love what you're doing, they're excited when you give them an update. They're excited when you come with them and want some advice on something. They're excited when you send them a happy Valentine card or Hershey Kisses in the mail or at their doorstep. They're so excited when that happens because they're with you. You're being paid, but you're also passionate about the mission, and they are too. You just happen to be paid.
Be sure you are signed up to receive my quick tips and strategies each week by clicking the link here. Here's the thing, I focus on large gift fundraising because 90% of gifts come from about 10% of your donors. In other words, major donors carry the load for successful fundraisers. If you're not learning the ins and outs of large gift fundraising, you're missing out. So go ahead, get signed up and start thinking about large gifts and what's possible. What could large gifts start rolling in look like at your organization? Click the link and join me for more tips and strategies and upcoming trainings. See you then.